Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do question number 4 of exercise 13.4 class 10. In this question a container is given which is in the shape of frustum and it is open from top. Its height is given 16 centimeter and radius of upper end is 20 centimeter and radius of lower end is 8 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of milk contained in this container. For this we have to find the volume of this container. Also we have to find the cost of milk. It is given that cost of milk is rupees 20 per liter. Let us find volume of milk in container. Formula is 1 upon 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2 into h. So one is upper radius we take r1 and this lower radius we take r2. Now keep values in formula. 1 upon 3 pi is given 3.14 in question, so 3.14. r1 is 20 and square of 20 is 400. r2 square, r2 is 8 and square of 8 is 64 plus r1 r2, 20 into 8 is 160 and height is given 16. Now 3.14 and sum of bracket values, it will be 624 into 16 upon 3. 3.14 into 16, its value is 50.24 into 624 upon 3. After cancelling it will be 208 and product is 10449.92 centimeter cube, and we have to convert this volume into liters, and as we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So to convert this volume into liter we have to divide by 1000. So after division it will be 10.44992 liters, or we can say 10.45 liters approximately. Now cost of milk, we are given that cost of milk is rupees 20 per liter, so multiply 20 with 10.45, it is rupees 209. Also we have to find area of metal sheet required to make this container, as container is open from top, and to find the area of metal sheet we have to find CSA and base area. Now area of sheet required is CSA plus area of base. Formula for CSA pi r1 plus r2 into L, and base is circle, so area is pi r square. Slant height is not given in the question, so first thing is to find slant height. Slant height is r1 minus r2 square plus h square under the square root. So keep values. 20 minus 8 square plus h is 16 square under the square root. 20 minus 8 is 12 square plus 16 square. Square of 12 is 144 and square of 16 is 256 under the square root, and it is under root 400, which is 20 centimeter. So value of slant height is 20 centimeter. Now To find area of sheet required, pi is given 3.14, R1 plus R2 20 plus 8, L is 20 plus pi is 3.14 and R2 square means square of 8. 3.14, 20 plus 8, 28 into 20 plus 3.14 into square of 8 is 64. Product of these three is 1758.4 plus 200.96 and total is 1959.36 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost. We are given in the question that cost of 100 centimeter square sheet is rupees 8. Then what should be the cost of 1 centimeter sheet? It is rupees 8 and this 100 will come in denominator, and we have to find cost of 1959.36 centimeter square sheet is equal to rupees 8 upon 100 into 1959.36. After simplification it will be 156.75. So rupees 156.75 is the cost of metal sheet required to make container.